If you're feeling discouraged about having a career gap, then don't worry, you are at the right place. Many candidates with career breaks often think that their chances of getting a good jobs are low, but here I'm going to tell you that that's not true. In fact, there are many companies who are actively seeking candidates with career break. In today's video, I'm going to share with you top 5 companies that have special programs for people with career breaks. And you have to watch this video till the end because I'm going to reveal an awesome Google and LinkedIn hack to find jobs during career breaks. So let's dive quickly for those 5 companies who are actively hiring people with career breaks. Number first in the list is Accenture. Accenture has a dedicated career reboot program where they are looking for experienced professionals with career gaps. They understand the challenges and have a tailored program to help you transition back into the workforce. Type Accenture Career Reboot Program on Google and click the first link. It will take you to Accenture's official site. Scroll down a bit to watch the videos that provide details about the program. Now this is the domain section. You need to select any of one domain to move ahead to search jobs. Here you will see both options, full-time option and internship option. Choose whichever you want to go with. Use the drop-down menu to select how long your career break has been. If it is 2 years, then select that. Next, select your business domain, job type, and then click to view available openings. You can see it's around 10,000 positions open for candidates returning from a career break. Filter by domain, location, experience, and specific roles like human resource operations or any other relevant fields. Prepare your resume best to match the role and apply for the position that align with your profile. Out of these 10K openings, you just need one perfect opening to start with. You can also continue exploring further pages even for more opportunities. Second company in the list is Salesforce India. Salesforce is another amazing company that values diversity, including those who have taken a break. They offer a return to work program specifically to bring back skilled professionals into their workforce. Simply type on Google Salesforce Return to Work Program and click the first link of Salesforce official website. It will redirect you to Salesforce Return to Work Program. Click this tab of Join Our Talent Community. The program page will get open where you have to enter the required details like your full name, email address, last company, last job, and questions related to career break and other general questions. Register yourself for the program. If your resume gets shortlisted, they will reach you for the suitable position. Meanwhile, you should also read all the information related to the program, that how it actually works from their official page. Third in the list is Wipro. Wipro offers its second career program designed to help experienced professionals re-enter the corporate world after a break. It's perfect for those who have taken some time off and want to start fresh with a leading IT company. Type on Google Wipro Begin Again Careers and click the official link. You are now on Wipro's official Begin Again career page. Here is the job search fields available. Scroll a bit and read the program's information first. What is the program actually all about? How does the program works? It has 3 steps. Choose role, fill the form and apply. Watch this video, it may help you for preparation. Here are some testimonials by the candidates who got successfully placed after a career break. And now you have all the listed available vacancies. Choose your desired role and apply for the same. Before telling you about the fourth company, please support my efforts by subscribing to my channel Bhavya Insight. Fourth in the list is the Tata Group. The Tata Group has a unique program called SCIP. It is focused on women professionals looking to return to work, but it's also open to others who have had a large career gap. They offer flexible work arrangements and amazing growth opportunities. On Google, type Tata Group SCIP and click the official link. You will be redirected to the website. Scroll to watch videos or read details about the program. Scroll more for opportunities. Now there will be 2 options available. One is for full-time, another one is for consulting assignments. Choose as per your convenience, and here you have all the available openings posted within 20 days. Check on the new openings every day so you can be the first candidate to apply on the same. Fifth and last in the list is Dell Technologies. Dell Career Restart program is fantastic. They are actively seeking professionals who have taken time off, helping them reboot their career paths and integrate back into the workforce. On Google, type Dell Career Restart and click the official link. You are now on their official website. You can search available jobs here by entering the details and also scroll down a bit to read more about this program and who is eligible to apply for the same. As you can see that they have already mentioned that people who are away from workforce for at least 12 months are eligible. Now scroll down a more and learn about the program and also about their returnship program, which is also offered by Dell. Be the first to see this opportunity and now finally fill this form where they require basic details from you and your resume to screen for available openings. All these companies have a large headcount of employees and they frequently have openings with them. For example, Accenture have a headcount of 7 lakh people globally. Wipro has around 2,50,000 and Dell has around 1,58,000 people. So basically they are hiring constantly. You should also visit their website and check their recurring openings every 3 days to boost your chances of getting shortlisted. I promised you in the beginning of this video that I will be sharing with you 2 hacks. One is of Google and the another one is of LinkedIn. So now it's the time to let's check those hacks. Google is always our best friend. Just go to Google and type career break jobs and you will find job openings specifically for candidates with career gaps. Click on each job to find which is suitable for your skills, location and other criteria and apply on them. Remember, you just need one perfect match to restart your career. And second hack of LinkedIn is going to be a completely game changer for you. And go on LinkedIn, type in search bar any company that I have mentioned regarding career break and come down to people section and start by searching for your college alumni or friends working in this company. Message them, ask for the advice and see if they can refer you for a position. See, a referral significantly increases your chances of getting an interview call and it's a great way to re-enter the workforce. I have personally seen so many success stories with this method. And don't just stop there, use LinkedIn job alerts option too. So these were the top 5 companies who are hiring candidates with career gaps, and I also shared with you 2 hacks. One is of Google and the another one is of LinkedIn to get back into the workforce. If you like this content, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel Bhavya Insights and share this video with all your friends who are struggling to get a job after a significant career gap. Stay connected, hit the bell icon for notification for more tips and tricks to land your dream job. All the best for your future interviews.